In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to neatly format phone numbers in Google Sheets so your data looks clean, professional, and easy to read without using any complicated formulas. Start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the cells that contain your phone numbers. These might be plain numbers without any spaces, dashes, or formatting, and that's totally fine. Once your numbers are selected, head up to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down, hover over Number, then click on Custom Number Format. This is where you can control exactly how your numbers appear. In the Custom Format box, type the following pattern: open parenthesis, 3 number signs, close parenthesis, space, 3 number signs, dash, 4 number signs. This tells Google Sheets to display your numbers like a standard phone number. After entering the format, click Apply. Instantly your raw numbers will transform into a clean format like a proper phone number, making your spreadsheet much easier to read and share. If something looks off, take a quick moment to check your data. Make sure each number has the correct number of digits because the format works best when your entries are consistent. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've turned messy phone numbers into a polished professional format inside Google Sheets.